alaikum and good morning to all of you. Hope you all are good and safe at home. Today we are again here with a new lesson. But as usual, before starting the lesson, I will share the instructions with you. So the instructions are: be attentive and listen carefully. No disturbance during teaching. If you have any query, so you may ask after teaching. Listen complete teaching with full attention. Don't involve other activities during teaching. You have to sit along your required subject book, copy, rough copy, and proper stationery box. You can ask questions by writing in the chat box. Take a screenshot of each slide. These are the today's instructions. Hope you understand and follow them. Now we are moving towards our lesson. So our lesson is fraction. What is our lesson? This is our new lesson, fraction. Yesterday we learned the new thing that was money. Now we are going to learn the new thing that is fraction. This is our lesson 13 and it's present in book page number 107 and 108. Now the topics of the day are: 1/2 means 1 over 2. 1/2 means 1 over 2. 1/4, 1/4 means 1 over 4. 1/4 means 1 over 4. So let's move towards the first topic of the day, that is 1/2. First, we should know what is fraction. Our topic is fraction. Our lesson is fraction. So we should know that what is fraction. So what is a fraction? Let's see. A fraction is something that shows part of a whole. What is fraction? A fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. It means that in the fraction we make the part of a whole things. We make the parts of the whole things. So fraction means the part of a whole. Now let's see. A girl has a pizza. You can see a girl and she has a pizza. You can see a girl and she has a pizza and she has a mood to eat it, but she is saying that she cannot eat the whole pizza. So what she will do? She cannot eat the whole pizza. So she called her father to help her to eat the pizza. She called her father to help her eating the pizza. So what should she do? Does she do? She make the half of pizza. She make the half of pizza and it is called 1/2. It is called 1/2. She has a one complete pizza and she shared the pizza, half pizza, with his father, and the both part of the pizza you can see are same in the sizes. The both parts of the pizza are same in the size. So the one part is called 1/2 and the other part is also called 1/2. If the both pieces of pizzas will be not same, so it is not called a 1/2. If this pizza is bigger or this pizza is short, so it will not call the 1/2. When the things are divided into equal parts, so then they will call the half. When the things will be in the same size, so they will call 1/2. So this is the 1/2 of the pizza, and in the mathematical way we write 1 over 2. We write 1 over 2. We write 1/2 in this form. We write 1/2 in this form. What does it mean? It means that we have one pizza. We have one pizza and we divide it into two parts. We divide it into two parts. This is called the 1/2 in the mathematical way. Now see the next. 1 means how many parts we are talking about. How many parts we are talking about. And 2 means total number of parts. 2 means total number of parts. Let's see that we have one pizza. We have one pizza. So it is saying how many parts we are talking about. We are talking about a one complete pizza. And in how many parts we have divided it? We divided it into two equal parts. We divided it into two equal parts. So it is the total number of parts. It is the total number of parts. One is showing the thing. How many things I have? I have a one complete pizza, and the two is showing how many parts of pizza have. So pizza has two equal parts. So we write the one half in this way. We write one half in this way. 1 over 2. What fraction is it? What fraction is it? Let's see the more examples. Let's suppose I have one apple. I have a one apple, and I cut it into two equal parts. You can see the both parts of apple are same in the size. The both part of the apple are same in the size. So we cut an apple into two equal parts, and one part is called one half. One half means 1 over 2. One half means 1 over 2. We have one apple, we divide it into two parts, and the other part will also called 1 over 2. It is also the one half of the apple. It is also the one half of the apple. When we will join these two again, when we will join these two again, so it will become a one whole. It will become a one whole. When we join these two parts, so it will become a one whole. So this is the proper way of writing one whole in a mathematical way. This is the proper way of writing half 1 over 2 in the mathematical way. Now see the next. Two equal parts. I have a cake, and I cut it into two equal parts. I cut it into two equal parts. You can see on the screen, cake is divided into two equal parts. One part is called 1 over 2, and the other part is also called 1 over 2, because they are same in the size. They are same in the size. That's why they are called half. They are called half. If they were not in the same in the size, so it will not call the half. They are same, both are same in the sizes. That's why they are called half. And we write the half in this form. We write the half in this form. Now see the shape. Which shape is this? You have learned the shapes in the previous class. You can find it. What shape is it? It is a triangle. What is it? It is a triangle. And we cut it into two equal parts. We cut this shape into two equal parts. And it is called one half. It is called one half. And in the mathematical way, we write it 1 over 2. We write it 1 over 2. 1 means we have a one triangle. 1 means we have a one triangle, and 2 means we divide this triangle into two equal parts. We divide this triangle into two equal parts. Now see the next one. See this shape. Which shape is this? Which shape is this? This is a rectangle. What is it? It is a rectangle. And we also cut it into two equal parts. We also cut it into two equal parts. One part is shaded and one part is blank. So, one means uh, we have a one rectangle, and 2 means we have two equal part of this shape. 2 means we have the two equal part of this shape. This is called the half, and we called it one half, and we write it in the mathematical way 1 over 2. In the mathematical way, we write it 1 over 2. This part is called 1 over 2, and this part is also called 1 over 2. And these two parts together called one whole. These two parts together called one whole. If we will remove this partition between this shape, so it will become a one whole. Okay, When we will remove this line from the center of the shape, so it will become a one whole. But now we have divided it into two parts, so it is called a one whole. Now, hope you have understood the half. Hope you have understood the half. What is half? Now move towards the quarter. What is quarter? Four equal parts. Quarter means four equal parts. Let's see, I have again apple and I cut it into four equal parts. You can see the four equal parts of an apple. What are these? The four equal parts of an apple. So, what we will call it? We will call it quarter. What we will call it? We will call it quarter. One quarter. When we will call it one quarter? When we take the one of the fourth part. One of the fourth part. We have the fourth part of an apple and we take one part. So it is called one quarter. It is called one quarter. Fourth means the four equal parts of the apple, and one means we have one apple. One means we have one apple, and four means we cut the apple into four equal parts. Fourth means we cut an apple into four equal parts. It is called a quarter. It is called a quarter, or we can say one quarter. And we write the quarter in the mathematical way 1 over 4. In the mathematical way, we write quarter 1 over 4. You can understand by seeing the picture that we have one apple and we cut it into four equal parts. So that's why the quarter is written 1 over 4. Quarter is written as 1 over 4. See the next See the next example. Here we have three examples in this picture. First, see a rectangle shape. First, see the rectangle shape, and it is divided into four equal parts. It is divided into four equal parts. Three has the same colors and one is different in color. So it is showing the 1 over 4. It is showing the 1 over 4. It is the 1 quarter. It is called 1 quarter. It is called 1 quarter. We have one rectangle and we cut it into four equal parts, and the three parts are same in the color and the one is different. So it is showing 1 over 4. It is showing 1 over 4. 1 over 4 means 1 quarter. 1 over 4 means 1 quarter. Now see the next example. We have a shape of circle. We have a shape of circle. The three sides, it is also divided into four equal parts. You can see the all parts are same in the size. All parts are same in the size. So three parts are same in the color blue and one is different. One is red in color. It is showing the 1 quarter. It is showing the 1 quarter. So we will write it 1 over 4 and we call it 1 quarter. What we call it? We will call it 1 quarter and we write it 1 over 4. Means one part is red and we have total 4 parts. We have total 4 parts of one circle. We have 4 parts of one circle. So it is called 1 over 4 means 1 quarter. Okay, now see the tigers. What are these? These are the tigers. How many tigers we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 tigers. 3 have the same colors and 1 is different in the color. It is also showing us the fraction form. It is also showing us the fraction form. It is the 1 quarter of the 4. It is the 1 quarter of the 4. 3 have same colors and 1 is different in color. So it is the 1/4 of the uh, tigers. It is the 1/4 of the tigers. We have 4 tigers and one is different in the color. One is different in the color. That's why we are calling them 1 over 4. We are calling them 1 over 4. Okay. Hope you have understood. Now move towards the next. Okay, what is this? This is a cake. What is this? This is a cake and we cut it into four equal parts. How many parts it has? Let's count with me. One, two, three, four. How many parts it has? It has four equal parts and it is called four equal parts. How we will write it in the mathematical way? 1 over 4. We take the one part of the cake. How many parts we have? We have four parts and we take the one part of the cake. So it is called 1/4. The one part of the cake is called 1/4. One part of the cake is called 1/4 and we will write it 1 over 4. We will write it 1 over 4. It means the fourth part of the one cake. The fourth part of the one cake. I have one cake and I cut it into four equal parts. I cut it into four equal parts. That's why we are calling it 1/4 or 1 over 4. We are calling it 1/4 or 1 over 4. Now see the shape. Again we have a rectangle and now we have cut it into four equal parts. Now we have cut it into four equal parts and this part is called 1/4. This part is called 1/4 and 1/4. This part is called 1/4 or 1/4. What is it called? 1/4 and 1/4. We have four equal parts of one rectangle. We have four equal parts of one rectangle. So in the mathematical form, we write it 1 over 4. We write it 1 over 4. 1 over 4 means the four equal parts of one rectangle. The four equal part of one rectangle. And in the inverse, we will write it 1/4 or 1/4 and in the mathematical form, we will write it 1 over 4. We will write it 1 over 4. Now, the next, which shape we have here? We have a circle. What we have? We have a circle here. And how many parts it has? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts it has? Four parts. A circle has four parts and we took one part of this circle. We took one part of this circle and we do the color in it. We do the color the 1/4 of the circle. So that's why it is calling 1 over 4. That's why it is called 1 over 4. A complete circle has four equal parts and we shade the one part of the circle. So it is called 1 over 4. It is called 1 over 4. Now I have the activity for you. What is the activity? Identify 1 over 2 and 1 over 4. Identify 1 over 2 and tick the shapes that have 1 over 2 colored in it. Let's see the shapes. You have to identify the shapes that are divided into 1 over 2. That are divided into 1 over 2 and you have to put the tick on them. You have to put the tick on that shapes. Now see, we have the different shapes. So first we should find which shapes are divided into two equal parts. Which shapes are divided into two equal parts. See the first one. This is a rectangle. What is it? It is a rectangle. Now see it carefully. Is it divided into two equal parts or not? Is it? Is it divided into two equal parts? Yes, the both parts of the shape are same in the size. The both parts of the shape are same in the size. So we will put the tick on this shape. We will put the tick on this shape because it is divided into two equal parts. Okay. Now move towards the next. It is a triangle. What is it? It is a triangle and see it very carefully. Is it divided into two equal parts or not? Is it divided? No. because the one part of the shape is bigger and the other part is smaller. The shaded part is bigger and the blank part is smaller. So it is not divided into equal parts. So we will not put the tick on it because we have to put the ticks on the half. We have to put the tick on the half. Half means the shapes that are divided into two equal parts. I am focusing the word equal. Okay, if we don't have the equal parts, so we will not put the tick on them. Okay, now see the next picture. It is a heart. What is it? It is a heart. And is it divided into two equal parts? No. The color part is bigger and the blank part is smaller. Color part is bigger and the blank part is smaller. It is not also same in the size. It is not also same in the size. So we will not put the tick on it. Okay. Now move towards the next. Which shape is this? Which shape is this? Hexagon. Which shape is this? Hexagon. And is it divided into two equal parts? Yes, it is divided into two equal parts. You can see the shaded part and the blank part. These both parts are same in the size. The both parts are same in the size. So we will put the tick on it. We will put the tick on this shape. Okay. Now move towards the next. It is a oval. It is an oval. And is it divided into two equal parts? Yes, it is also divided into two equal parts. The both parts of the shape are equal in size. The both parts of the shape are equal in size. So we will also put the tick on this shape. We will put the tick on this shape. Now see the next. What is this? This is a square. What is this? This is a square. And it is also divided into two equal parts. It is also divided into two equal parts. The both parts are same in the size. The both parts are same in the size. So that's why we will also put the tick on it. We will also put the tick on it. Now see the last one. What is this? This is a star. This is a star. And it has no part. Is it has any part? No. It has no part. So it is called a one hole. We will call it a one hole. It has no parts, so it will called one hole. So in the according to the question, we have to find and we have to take the half. So it has no part. It is also only the whole. So we will not put the tick on it. Okay, have you understood this activity? Hope you have understood. Now move towards the next. Now we have the activity about quarter. One quarter. We have an activity about one quarter. Identify 1 over 4 and take the shape that have 1 over 4 colored in. Here we have to identify the quarters shape which are divided into 4 equal parts. Now see the first picture. First shape, it is rectangle. What is it? It is a rectangle and it is divided into 4 equal parts. See the parts. Is them equal in the size? Yes, the all parts are equal in the size. All parts are equal in the size. So we will put the tick on this shape because it is equally divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, it is called 1 over 4 or 1 quarter. Now see the next. It is a pentagon. It is a pentagon and it is not divided into 4 equal parts. The shaded part is bigger and the other 3 parts are smaller. The other 3 parts are smaller in the size. So that's why we will not put the tick on it because it is not divided into 4 equal parts. See the next shape. It is a square. It is a square and it is divided into 4 equal parts. Is it? Yes, it is divided into 4 equal parts. It is divided into 4 equal parts. So we will put the tick on it. We will put the tick on it. See the next shape. What shape is this? hexagon. What shape is this? This is a hexagon, and it is also divided into four equal parts. It is divided into four equal parts. So we will put the tick on this shape. It is 1/4 or 1/4. Okay. Now we come to the next. It is a square. Is it divided into four equal parts? No, it is not divided into four equal parts. The shaded part is smaller and the other parts are bigger. So it is not equal in size. So we will not put the tick on it. Now the next, it is a circle. What is it? It is a circle and it is divided into four equal parts. It is divided into four equal parts, and we will put the tick on this shape also because it is divided into four equal parts. It is called 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. Okay. Now see the last one. This is a triangle. What is it? It is a triangle. Is it divided into four equal parts? No, it is not divided into four equal parts. It is not divided into four equal parts, so we will not put the tick on it. Hope you have understood the both activities and the complete lesson which I have shared with you. If you have any problem, any queries, so you may ask in the chat box. Now, I am going to share the home task with you. What is our home task? Do page number 108 and in your textbook. Do 100 page 108 in your textbook. You have only one page working for this lesson in the book. You have only one page working in your book. This is your home task. What you have to do, open your books, page number 108 and see the exercise. The first question has part A is what fraction of each figure is colored? What fraction of each figure is colored? Write the fraction in the box below each figure. Here you have to write the fraction of the figure. You have to write the fraction of the figure. Fraction of the figure means the box is given under the picture, under the shape. You will write 1/2 and 1/4 in them. What you will write? You will write 1/2 or 1/4 in them. See the first example, there is a square and it is divided into four equal parts. It is divided into four equal parts. One part is shaded and the three are not. So what fraction you will mention here? You will write 1/4. You will write 1/4. The second picture is circle and it is divided into two equal parts and one part is shaded, so you will write 1/2. What you will write? 1/2. As these, you will solve this question A. You will write the fraction of the each picture under the into the boxes. Okay. The second part is colored one half of each figure. Colored one half of each of the figure. The three figures are given to you and the three are divided into two equal parts. The three are divided into two equal parts. So you have to color the one half of the each figure. Each you will color the one side of the each shape. You will color the one side of the each shape. In the third part, part C, colored 1/4 of each of the figure. Same figures are given under, but they are divided into four equal parts. They are divided into four equal parts. So here you have to color the 1/4 part of the or 1/4 part of the figure. Here you have to color 1/4 or 1/4 part of the figure. Now the next homework is do slide 25 and 26. Tick the shapes which I have shared before. You have to do these two slides 25 and 26 in your fair copy. What is your homework? For your copy, you have to do the slide 25 and 26. Tick the shapes in your fair copy. What are that? Let's see. Yes, this is your slide number 25. This is your slide number 25. Identify 1/2 and tick the shape that have 1/2 colored in. You will write this question in your fair copy. First, you will make the title page of fraction. First you will make the title page of the fraction, then leave one page, and after it draw the margins and write the question and draw the shapes and color them. These all shapes you will draw in your fair copy, and then you will color the half and put the tick that are divided into half. This is slide number 25. You will do it in your fair copy. And this is slide number 26. This is slide number 26. You will also do it in your fair copy. Here you have to draw the shapes with the quarter parts. Here you will draw the shapes with the quarter parts, and you will solve it in your fair copy. Okay. This is slide number 25. Half half slide is 25 and quarter slide is 26. This is 26. These two slides working you will do in your fair copy. Okay. These two slides you will do in your fair copy, and in the book you have to do only 108 page. What you have to do? You have to do page number 108. Now, thanks and have a nice day. Hope you have understood all the things.